Hey everyone, so in this video we are going to unbox the Sony WH-1000 in 2022 and let's just open the box. And I got these delivered from Amazon today only, so let's just pop it out and see what are the things that we get and how are these headphones and are they still worth. Let's see how these behave in 2022, right? So let's first of all see the manufacturing. So if you see, these were manufactured in July 2022, that means almost 4 months back, and the MRP for these earphones is 29,990, but on Amazon, from Amazon I got them for rupees 18,000 in the Amazon sale that was going a couple of days back, right? So the outside of the box says that these are wireless noise cancelling stereo headsets and they support 360 reality audio, Google Assistant and Alexa built-in, and high resolution audio is also here, and 30 hours of battery backup. It's not visible. Let me just tear this transparent skin down and then we can have a look at the inside of the box, right? And as you can see, this says 30 hours of battery backup, Bluetooth and high-res wireless audio, and these are wireless and noise cancellation, right? Noise cancelling. So let's just get the box, let the earphones or headphones out, and yeah, I'll just pop them. All right, so we got the box out, and okay, there is something. Okay, so easy setup, configuration. Okay, these are written in different languages, so yeah, we also have to download the app, so I'll make a separate video for that. So if you see, this is the cover, and the inside we get okay, this is a nice looking case, and these are booklets from Sony, and apart from that, if you see, the box is empty. There's nothing else in the box, right? Let me just keep that aside. So here, if we see, we have this what do we call it, some instruction manual in different languages, so I'm not interested in reading any of those as of now, so I'll just keep them aside. And although we do have a 360 reality audio free music trial, so must be something here, and yeah, there is a QR code in the back and some access code, so you'll be able to avail the free music service, right? So I'll just keep them aside, and let me just the overall, if you see the feel and the look of the case, they are sturdy and they are nice, looks, very premium, not at all cheap. And the quality of zipper, let's see, can you hear this? Let me just pop this out. Okay, for some reason I'm not able to, yeah, the zippers, yeah, the zippers sound nice. Okay, great. So these are the headphones, as you can see. For some reason, yeah, these are fine. Great. So inside we get this airplane adapter. I mean, when you are in the airplane, we probably see this kind of a pin mechanism in there that we can, use. This is you can say airplane travel adapter or something of that sort, right? And we have a yes, so this is the aux cable that you can see with the, is there a Sony branding? Yeah, with Sony branding, as you can see. So this is the aux, and we also have a USB type C charging mechanism here. So let's just keep that aside, all of these things aside, and let's try to get the headphones out. Okay, so the headphones are nice in here. Okay, so this is the right cup and this is the left cup. Okay, so the leather feels fine. Yep, and this also, there are some movements here, you can see. So you can see that these are some, I'm not sure if these are pressure hole, vacuum hole, something like that, that will pump out the vacuum during the noise cancellation. So we have a couple of microphones here as well. If you see, we have two major microphones here, then couple of microphones they are inside here. If you can see this, somewhere around this, I guess, and yeah, there are a few microphones around, and there are two buttons. If you see, one is a custom button, so this can be mapped to any functions from the Sony headphones app, and this is the power button, right? And here somewhere we're having a USB type C charging port, right? So I'll just plug this in and see if this fits comfortably. Yeah, so this is a nice tick sound. Yeah, so this is fine, right? So let's just power these headphones on and see what they say. So they said power on, and now you can see they have started pairing, right? So, and whenever you have clicked on this and these are in pairing mode, you will automatically see a connect now, what do we call it? A connect now pop-up that you can now use to connect your headphones, right? So this is the unboxing of Sony XM4s, and about the sound quality and other stuff I'll make a separate video and let you know, and how to operate the Sony application I'll make a separate video for that as well. So for now, that's all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.